What's going on, YouTube? This is Mr. Rich Don't Play. I want to ask anybody if they've ever seen a 1967 Philadelphia or no mint mark penny with what appears to be JFK face to face with Lincoln. It says, "In God we trust." Big time doubling on all the lettering. But look at that. Have you ever seen this coin before? I've never seen it. I'm gonna get it graded and see. I mean, it's in good shape. United States of America. There's definitely some doubling there, but I'm gonna flip it back over one more time. And as you see, 1967, and it's got what appears to be JFK, like the $50 little mini mark. But anyway, also I wanted to show these off too. United States postage, 3 cents. $18.82, 1945 Roosevelt stamp, 3 cent, 2 cent, and this 1945 3 cent. And also there's your a 6 something right. I think that came back from World War II, my granddad. Anyway, this is what I really wanted to make the video about, this coin right here. If anyone has ever seen this before, please comment in the comment section. But yeah, there it is right there. And there's your anyway, I'll zoom back in one more time. $1967, that's a trip. Anyway, this is Mr. Rich Don't Play. And the coin's cut off at the top too. Looks like it's been double, looks like it's been punched. Double punched, because you can see going up the steps of the, you can see part of the front of the coin. Okay, yeah, I need to get this graded. Anyway, God bless, one love, one light. Sorry the video is so long. I've never seen this before in my life, and I had to show it off. Anyway, God bless. Y'all have a great one. That's what the 1945, 1882 to 1945 3 cent and 2 cent postage stamp look like. And there's your beautiful pearl right there. Anyway, I'm sure anybody, you know what those colors are if you had a grandfather and Templars. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day and God bless. Check out that penny. That is something else.